Changes. Changes are like a corner you take for the first time. You don't know what's coming next. They can seem scary at first, but they also represent new opportunities. Our story begins with a challenge, and from there, they never stop coming. We changed the stage and our costumes. We changed our riding style. We witnessed incredible racing, quick reactions that brought us success and made history. Change is a constant challenge, but if our passion remains the same, changes become new chances. Although change might seem difficult at first, overcoming each challenge makes us who we are. Repsol supports and shares MotoGP's mission to race with 100% sustainable fuel from 2027. That's why the Repsol Technology Lab has been working on the development of new sustainable fuels, ensuring competition continues to be the best test bench for their products. We embrace change, and the competition will just keep getting better.